This is for the 2021 spare tire trash bags. So this is the new install video for the spare tire trash bag. We've changed up the way we do the straps. So now there's just 3 buckles on the back. So this particular one we crisscrossed. If you don't want to crisscross, we just have these straps go right through here. Okay, and here's the other way. This is the way most people do it. You just take the vertical straps, go through there on the horizontal strap, and then you're good to go. Extremely secure. Once again, as we've talked about in the other videos, you absolutely have to go through the lock buckle here, slip lock. If not, it will not stay on. So if you ever break, misplace, or anything of these buckles, contact us immediately, and don't use it because this is the only thing that's keeping everything locked up. So if this was gone, this would just unravel out through there. So check us out, overlandgearguy.com.